Positively, Jack says many families struggle as a result of rising prices on everything. Some people may want to find annual visits to the dentist harder and harder to pay for, especially if you need a lot of work. But if you are struggling, we have some help here locally to talk about the options. Dr. Michael Tomasino, good morning to you.
Good morning, Vic. Thank you for letting us get the opportunity to get the word out about Smiles for Miles 904.
Absolutely. So you own several dentist offices around Northeast Florida, including Sunrise Emergency and Family Dental Care. You also have this event where you're working with the community to give a lot of people really in our area options for free. Let's talk about Smiles for Miles 904.
Sure. It's a community service. In the current economy, everything's more expensive. We know there are many people who don't have a dentist or dental insurance. This is a good start to provide dental care to that segment of the population. And I believe charity begins at home. I've done a lot of mission trips overseas, and I felt that why not here as well? We encourage other dental practices and local businesses to join us in this effort. But I think it's going to be a great event. This is our second annual. And last year we served 77 patients and we had 4 dentists. 203 hours donated and $45,000 worth of services. This year, we're going to go a little bit bigger and better. We're hoping to see 100 patients and have 7 dentists and try to do $60,000 worth of donated services.
Yeah, that's really incredible. Let's talk about the care that you are offering as part of this service. Certainly, a lot of people have a lot of different dental issues that they need looked at.
Yeah, so our main focus is trying to get people out of pain and take care of infected and broken teeth that people are suffering with. And, the emergency room is really not the place for that. They need to be seen at a dental office. And so we're trying to bridge that gap and reduce emergency room visits. We have a screening day on March 10th. From 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. And we're going to be doing the exam and x-rays on that day. And then we're actually having the treatment day on March 12th. And we're going to see patients from 8 a.m. until 3 p.m.
And this is going to be at your office?
Yes, it's going to be at our 1700 Wells Road, Suite 19, Orange Park, Florida office, not far from the mall.
Certainly. So it's convenient for people in Duval County, Clay County, even St. Johns County if they want to cross over that way. So I want to talk about the need for this and just even basic cleanings, because what does it do if you push off your dental care? If you just say, I can't afford it, I can't make time right now, let's just do it next year.
Well, the interesting thing too with COVID-19, people delayed care. And it's been harder to get back into the dental office because there's also, a shift in the economy with employment. And so it's harder to actually deliver care. But delaying dental services is always a bad thing. Your teeth don't get better without preventative care. And we recommend seeing a dentist at least once a year, if not every 6 months. Regular checkups can identify problems. And then the preventative checkups are a bargain compared to more expensive treatments or care that's harder to reverse once it happens.
And real quickly, I know that it is simple, but some people still want to get those tips. What is the proper brushing technique? Straight from you, a dentist.
Sure. So I have a toothbrush with me. I don't have a model, but the most, I think, efficient, best technique is the Bass technique. And what you're doing is going at 45 degrees to the gum line gently and doing small circles. And you want to take about 2 minutes to clean your teeth. And then the other tip is that your toothbrush bristles are worn out if they're not straight and they have curves to them. And that usually takes about 3 to 6 months. And when you're done brushing, you want to not rinse because the fluoride in the toothpaste can actually help, protect the teeth. But if you rinse immediately, you're washing away that protective effect.
All right. Awesome. Dr. Michael Tomasino, thank you so much. Thank you for what you are doing for the community. We do want to remind our viewers the first 100 people are able to get these appointments. And here's how you get more information and sign up. SunriseDentalofOP.com. SunriseDentalofOP.com. They're also on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you can look for Smiles for Miles 904 to get more details. Of course, we're going to post this on the morning show section of news4jax.com.
I did not know that you're not supposed to rinse right away after brushing your teeth. Go figure. All right.